Your life is a series of choices, a collection of moments where you decide which path to take. From something as simple as choosing a seat in class to more profound decisions like selecting your career or life partner, every decision plays a role in crafting your destiny. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 crucial decisions you must confront before circumstances force your hand. Thinking through these decisions now gives you the opportunity to shape your future with clarity and intention. So let's jump in and explore the choices that matter. Welcome to Financial Roadmap, where your journey to wealth begins. 1. Embracing failure versus living with regret. Imagine standing at the edge of a diving board. Do you take the plunge and risk a fall, or do you remain on the platform forever, haunted by the thought of never having tried? In life, you face a choice. Is it scarier to risk failing or to live with the regret of never attempting something new? We all start life with limitless potential, but our environment, our family, education, and community influences how that potential is realized. Some cultures and families encourage risk-taking, while others champion caution and consistency. Failure, although painful and sometimes publicly humiliating, is only temporary. Every misstep is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and ultimately grow stronger. Regret, on the other hand, is a permanent weight that can hinder your progress. Ask yourself, would you rather have a history of setbacks from which you've grown, or a lingering regret that never fades? 2. Choosing between tiredness and financial struggles. Every goal you pursue in life requires effort and sacrifice. Whether you're striving for a dream career, physical fitness, or financial stability, you're likely to face periods of fatigue as you push your limits. The alternative is to opt for a life that feels less taxing in the moment, but may lead to financial hardship or unfulfilled dreams in the long run. This choice is essentially about effort versus reward. The momentary discomfort of hard work is often far less daunting than the enduring impact of regret and financial instability. Remind yourself that every bit of sweat and sacrifice now is an investment in a more prosperous and fulfilling future. If you're truly passionate about your goals, choose to endure temporary tiredness rather than settle for being broke or unfulfilled. 3. Investing in growth versus chasing entertainment. Every day, we are bombarded by distractions that promise quick entertainment. From endless social media feeds to binge-worthy shows, the allure of immediate gratification is ever present. Yet, you have a choice. Will you use your time to grow intellectually, professionally, and emotionally, or will you allow yourself to be swept away by superficial distractions? The challenge lies in discerning between content that entertains and content that educates. Remember that many of today's celebrities and influencers gain attention because of their success, not just their ability to entertain. However, true wealth is built by creators and innovators who dedicate time to learning and self-improvement. When you invest in your growth, you're essentially preparing the soil for your future success. Decide each day to spend time cultivating your knowledge and skills, and you'll reap rewards that far exceed momentary amusement. 4. Enjoying the present versus securing the future. Life is a delicate balancing act between living in the moment and planning for what lies ahead. Think of the joy you experience during a spontaneous walk on a sunny day, or the satisfaction of a heartfelt conversation with a friend. These moments are precious and create lasting memories. Yet, there are times when you must focus on building a stable future, whether it's through career development, financial planning, or personal growth. Most people find themselves caught in the middle, trying to enjoy today while ensuring a secure tomorrow. However, if you continuously sacrifice your future for transient pleasures, you might find yourself unprepared when tomorrow comes knocking. It's crucial to consciously decide how much time and energy you allocate to immediate enjoyment versus long-term investments. Analyze your priorities and ensure you're making trade-offs that help you create a balanced life. 5. Being the driver or a passenger in your life. Have you ever considered whether you're actively steering your life's course or merely riding along? The distinction is profound. In one scenario, you allow external forces, chance, circumstance, or destiny to dictate your path, letting life happen to you. In the other, you take full responsibility, making decisions and setting the course toward your desired destination. Taking the driver's seat means owning both the successes and failures that come with your choices. It demands accountability and proactive planning, but it also leads to a life rich with intentional progress. Conversely, if you let fate steer your journey, you might avoid some of the hard work, but also miss out on the joy of personal achievement. Decide, are you prepared to be the architect of your own destiny? 6. Surrounding yourself with winners or settling for mediocrity. The people you spend your time with play a pivotal role in shaping your mindset and influencing your actions. There's an old saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, ask yourself, are your closest companions motivated, ambitious, and positive, or do they tend to settle for mediocrity? Surrounding yourself with high achievers not only elevates your thinking, but also challenges you to push your limits. On the contrary, staying close to those who are unmotivated may keep you trapped in a cycle of complacency. Evaluate your social circle and consider making changes if necessary. A network of like-minded, success-oriented individuals can spark your own drive to achieve greatness and help you break free from the constraints of a stagnant environment. 7. Living for yourself versus living for others. Another pivotal decision in life is determining whose blueprint you'll follow. Will you live the life you truly desire, or will you succumb to the expectations set by your parents, teachers, or society? Many well-intentioned people, especially parents, tend to steer you toward a path that promises security, sometimes at the expense of passion and fulfillment. It's vital to understand that while learning from the wisdom of those around you is beneficial, your life is yours to live. Why should your decisions be dictated by someone else's vision? Reflect on the words of Frank Zappa. If you end up leading a lackluster life simply because you listen too closely to others, then you've missed the point of your existence. Forge your own path and embrace the journey that feels most authentic to you. 8. Staying put or venturing out. Where you live significantly impacts your lifestyle, opportunities, and overall happiness. One of the most transformative decisions you can make is choosing the right environment for your growth. Would you prefer the comfort of your hometown with its familiar rhythms and safe routines, or do you crave the excitement and possibilities that come with moving to a new place? Different locations offer unique lifestyles. Urban areas might provide a wealth of professional opportunities and cultural experiences, while smaller towns might offer a closer-knit community and a slower pace of life. Think about what environment best suits your personal and professional aspirations. Sometimes the decision to relocate can open up entirely new chapters of your life that you never imagined. 9. Working for yourself versus working for others. When it comes to your career, you often face a fundamental decision. Do you build your own enterprise or contribute to someone else's vision? Each path has its own set of rewards and challenges. Working for a company might offer a stable income and clear structure, while forging your own business can be fraught with uncertainty, but it also holds the potential for exponential rewards. This decision ultimately hinges on what you value more, stability or independence. It's not unusual for people to wish for the security of a steady paycheck while secretly yearning for the freedom of entrepreneurship. However, trying to have both often leads to dissatisfaction and feeling stuck in a routine that doesn't challenge you. Strive to decide what truly aligns with your ambitions. If you dream of building something uniquely yours, then embracing the risks of entrepreneurship might be the more fulfilling path. 10. Risking it all or playing it safe. Life is inherently risky, and the degree to which you're willing to embrace risk defines the trajectory of your journey. Some people calculate every move meticulously, minimizing risk at all costs. Others are willing to throw caution to the wind, trusting that bold moves will eventually pay off. The higher the risk, the steeper the potential reward, though there are no guarantees. Playing it safe might lead to a predictable, comfortable existence, but it may also prevent you from reaching your full potential. Conversely, taking a well-considered risk can accelerate your progress toward your goals. The key is not to be reckless, but to understand and manage risk intelligently. Whether you choose to take the plunge or tread carefully, ensure that your decision aligns with your long-term vision. We hope that today's video has offered you a fresh perspective on the choices that truly matter. It's time to step out of the passenger seat and drive your own journey. Reflect on each decision, write down your thoughts, and share which choice you plan to address first in the comments below. Not only does this help solidify your commitment, but it also allows others to join you on this journey toward a more intentional and fulfilling life. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful, informative content.